Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Shaylyn. Here on my channel I do coffee, motherhood, and femininity videos. So if that's the kind of content that you're into, then please hit that subscribe button. So today we are going to be doing a very exciting video and we are going to be using one of my favorite coffee brands, Black and Bold Coffee, to create cold brew. So the summer season is coming up, and here where I live it is getting warm. We've actually had like 70-degree weather this week, and I love me a good cold brew. So I want to show you all how I use one of my favorite Black-owned coffee brands to create my very own cold brew coffee. So if that's something that you're interested in watching, then just keep on watching. Alright, hello everyone, this is voiceover me coming to you, and I am showing you all the ingredients and things that you are going to need in order to make your own cold brew. Please do not mind my Black and Bold bag. It definitely has seen better days thanks to UPS. So what I am going to do is pour my coffee beans into my old faithful coffee grinder. You are just going to put your coffee beans up until you see that silver inside of the coffee grinder, and then you are just going to press down on that button until your coffee grinds are pretty fine. You don't want them too fine to where they can go through the mesh, but you do want them pretty fine to where they can absorb that water and make sure that your cold brew is strong. So I'm going to pulse it just a little in order to get it just a little more fine, and then after you do this process, you're going to flip your coffee grinder, and all of the goodies inside your coffee grounds will now go into the top. Once I do that, I do repeat the step 2 more times just because I do want to fill up that middle basin part of my cold brew container. I did get this container off of Amazon and I absolutely love it. If you do need more cold brew, so if you're making it for a whole household, I would suggest trying to buy a bigger one, but this one works for me as I am the only one in my house who drinks it. Make sure that the lid is screwed into the bottom, or when you pour all of your coffee grounds in them, it's going to go straight into the actual glass container there. Alright, so now you are going to grab some cold water, distilled water, and you are going to pour that over your coffee grounds. And so you can see that water is seeping through those coffee grounds and through that wire mesh into the container. Now you are going to want to continue to do this until the entire glass is filled with water. You don't want to fill it over the lid, of course, but until you reach that black lid, you do want to fill up your cold brew container. So that is what I am doing here in this clip. So you'll see me continuing to just fill. Here is our cold brew again in all of her glory. So she will go into the fridge for at least 24 to 48 hours. I usually just do 24. So this time tomorrow afternoon, I'll be able to enjoy me some delicious cold brew. And yeah, so this color right here is a pretty brown amber color, but she will get a lot darker as you just let this steep in the fridge. So don't fret. All right, so this is our cold brew after it has sat and steeped for a little over 24 hours. So it is definitely ready to use. That is the end of this video. I hope that you all enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.